Yo, what's up, world? What's up, world? Let me see. We on. Oh, snap. Hold on. I don't think we all on. We ain't all on. Okay, we about to be on. Hold on. We about to be on. Go live. Y'all. Right. Yo, what's up, world? What's up, world? It's your boy Brandon Tattoo, aka Brandon Code, and we in here bringing y'all some of the latest stuff that's going on in the United States. Sometimes bring y'all news articles and reports going on that's around the world. I haven't been able to get y'all the worldly news like that, like CNN, but I kind of like reporting this stuff from my perspective. So I do my homework. You feel me? I do my homework. And this video right here is one I want to share with you guys because I noticed a long time ago when the Blueface Hunter came out. I think when the Blueface Hunter came out, let me check my camera. When the Blueface Hunter came out, I believe that was, I don't want to be guessing. I want to say 2012, 11, something like that. You know, it was somewhere around that time when the Blueface Hunter came out. And since it came out, they have some things on there that if you fold all these bills, the $20 bill if you fold it a certain kind of way, the $20 bill have 9/11 twin towers on it. If you don't believe me, I'll pull it up too. But if you fold a $100 bill, it show you some more stuff. It show you a flooding. People say this flooding is a flood from New York. But I'm not gonna, say much on it. I'm gonna let y'all see for yourself. And if y'all hear my kids in the background, they're done playing, having a good time, making all this noise. Making too much noise. I had to tell them to cut it down. Which video I'm gonna play first?
So I found something pretty cool. If you bend a $100 bill in half and then bend the two flaps, it gives you a nice picture. This picture is New York City being flooded by the Hudson River. Pretty ironic, right? Now in the next clip, I'm going to show you what happens in the movie The Day After Tomorrow. Now in this clip in Day After Tomorrow, the water's flooding New York City and they're trying to escape. Please share your thoughts in the comment section about why the $100 bill and this movie correlate. So I found something pretty.
They change the magnification. You're going to see all of this. All of this is going to turn to waves coming in from those nukes that went down, and they're going to be destroying the city. Watch. Here it goes. There it is. See it? See how it changed? See how it gets all fluffy? Boom. There it is. Buildings being wiped out. There it is. See the water? That's water. I'm going to go back. Look. There it is. Now picture the water coming at you. Boom. Boom.
It's crazy. They talk about this stuff in movies. What?
Now picture the water coming at you. Boom.
Damn, I'm about to talk over, man.
Boom. Boom. Devastation. Let me show you what's going to precipitate that. which is on the new $100 bill. It's coming to New York. I guarantee it. I prophesied it in 2007. It's on the 10.
Ah, man, come on with the video, man. Go play.
They've changed the magnification. You're going to see all of this. All of this is going to turn to waves coming in from those nukes that went down, and they're going to be destroying the city. Watch. There it goes. There it is. See it? See how it changed? See how it gets all fluffy? Boom. There it is. Buildings being wiped out. There it is. See the water? That's water. I'm going to go back. Look. There it is. Now picture the water coming at you. Boom. Boom.
Okay, so they're repeating themselves. Okay, y'all see that part. All right. I don't want this video too long, but as you see, if you fold a $100 bill, you will see what they just showed you. I did it before. It looks like a city underwater. All right. Then this how long this blue $100 been out? I don't know. Let's see. I can find out real quick though. Let's see. When did blue $100 come out? 2000 October 8th, 2013. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The series 2009 $100 bill design was unveiled on April 21, 2010 and was issued to the public on October 8, 2013. The new bill costs 12.6 cents to produce and has a blue ribbon woven into the center of the currency with 100 and Liberty bells alternating that appear when the bill is tilted. It costs almost 13 cents to make this $100 bill. It costs almost 13 cents to make this $100 bill. And it came out in 2013 to the public. All right, so that right there proves that these folks know what's going on. All right, now let's go on to where I was headed to with that. Let's go to where I was headed to with that. Man, we're all watching the same thing over and over. Look at New York right now.
Don't guess what your audience wants to read. Create it with Content Shake AI by SEMrush. Stop it.
The state of emergency in New York, a deluge, 2 months worth of rain falling on the city in 24 hours, causing severe flooding in some areas. Smart Theodore is here with the latest as things dry out a bit. Smart, good morning.
Good morning. So yesterday's powerful and moisture-laden storm capped off New York City's second wettest September on record as torrential rainfall left those in transit in dangerous and simply impossible situations. This morning, New Yorkers drying out after a dangerous day with many areas underwater with record-breaking rain. Over the last 24 hours, unrelenting rain turning roads into rivers, cars stranded as people flee for dry ground, and millions of New Yorkers urged to shelter in place. In New Jersey, a state of emergency with floodwaters swamping roads, making travel dangerous and nearly impossible. In Fairfield, watch as a firefighter hoists a driver over his shoulders, rescuing him from the stranded car in the middle of a flooded street. One of at least 18 rescues throughout the region. In New York,
I'll be quiet
states
for a few
of
minutes.
emergency in New York City and the Hudson Valley. One of the Big Apple's wettest days on record, with more than half of the rain falling. The NYPD sharing video of this sea lion that escaped from its enclosure due to the flooding, but returned without leaving the zoo. The torrential downpour sending water cascading down stairs at subway stations. The system coming to a complete halt as rain poured through openings and cracks. This video showing water shooting out of the wall at the 7th Avenue subway station in Manhattan.
Get off my head.
Riders on this city bus in a panic as water surges inside. Drivers abandoning their cars on the FDR highway on Manhattan's east side. At the city's LaGuardia Airport, one terminal shut down as waters rise. More than 1,000 flights canceled or delayed. Hard-hit Brooklyn, receiving nearly a month's worth of rain in just a few hours. Vehicles plowing through flooded roads and floating trash. A whirlpool forming over a storm drain. Brooklyn's 4th Avenue looking like a lake. SUVs creating waves as drivers test their luck despite the dangerous conditions.
And you know what's wild about all this? As we see the ramifications of climate change persist, events like this will be more frequent. So let's see what we ended with here. So at JFK Airport, they saw 8.6 inches of rain. That was their wettest day on record since they began keeping that in 1948. And we saw rain total as high in even Norwalk, Connecticut, just over 5.5 inches there. So what happens next with this system? We're almost done through the thick of it, but we could still see one last heavy wave of rain over Long Island this morning by about 3 p.m. this afternoon. The last of it moving through New England, and then we're drying out. As far as totals go, generally speaking, about 1 inch, but we could see 1 to 2 inches on Long Island near Brookhaven. That's a look at the forecast. Sinead, back to you.
Oh my gosh, Samara, those images truly wild and just mind-blowing. Thank you for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube.
Brooklyn really hard hit this morning. Tom Negavan standing by in Windsor Terrace to continue our coverage there. Tom?
Look at that waterfall. Just on the southwest corner of Prospect Park, and I just want to show you Prospect Park for a quick second because a river is running through it right now. As you can see, this is really remarkable. We just spoke to a representative of the Prospect Park Alliance about the damage being done inside the park and how New Yorkers can help. More details on that in just a second, but first, I want to take you for a walk that we advise everyone not to take. Rules for thee, but not for me today. We are professionals walking through the water that is flowing through most of the roadways here alongside Prospect Park, and people are navigating them not by choice but by force. This is what they've been encountering today, and they have no choice but to make the best of it, to do what they can. We're getting splashed a lot. They're just doing the best they can to get through, and I know Governor Hochul pointed this out earlier, but it bears repeating. It just takes a little bit of water, 6 inches, a foot. You can float a car. You can wind up in some really, really serious trouble, even with a large SUV like the ones passing us by here. But again, people are stuck in this. A flash flood that comes out of nowhere, inundating these vehicles and us. And again, the rain starting to come down with some real force right now. Now, I've got to warn our friends in the control room, every piece of electricity.
They said the flood is from rainfall. Interesting, huh?
Electronic equipment we have with us right now is soaked, including the equipment we use to hear you. So can't hear you right now. We're going to get into some video of cars out here in Brooklyn from this morning that just shows you the force of this water. What we're talking about, cars flooded, unredeemable, unsalvageable, but luckily lives have been salvaged, and that's what we care about. FDNY on the roadways, rescuing people from 4 feet of water as this flood moves through and continues to do so, damaging not just the roadways and the vehicles. In fact, here, if you can take us for a second, they're towing cars out here right now, and they're going to be doing that for a while to come. But the damage to Prospect Park is going to be really significant. and they spoke to us about that just a short time ago.
What's wrong with you?
We're experiencing major flooding, and then there's damage to some of our facilities and some of our amazing lawns. So we'll be encouraging New Yorkers to come out and help us with garbage removal and lawn restoration in the coming days and weeks.
Erosion can be a big issue for you.
Yes, yes. So unfortunately, you know, in these major rain events where the water's coming very quickly, it's eroding our lawns, it's eroding our slopes. You know, we're worried about damage to our trees, so we'll be doing a comprehensive assessment in the next couple days, and we'll let New Yorkers know how they can help and volunteer to pitch in.
Well, I left home like 9:30 in the morning trying to get to work, but it's not possible. I got stuck like 20 minutes on each station. I have to walk now back home. Hopefully I'm gonna get a bus.
Damn!
Oh, we just got splashed again. Oh, this is so horrible.
Well, I never seen anything like this in Europe.
Right, yeah.
There you should have heard from our friend Emil, who we encountered walking through the park today. He tried to get an Uber, he tried to get on the subway, tried to get on a bus, tried to get to work, and failed. Hopefully, Emil is safely at home right now, but he doffed his socks and shoes, trying to keep them dry as he navigated this.
Right. Okay, that's enough. So, yeah, as you can see, man, New York got it pretty bad. So, hold on, man. Hey, cut the damn music down, man. I can't. So yeah, so what y'all think? Was this a planned flood? I might title that planned flood. What do y'all think? Y'all think it was planned or a natural flood? Or maybe this is not the flood that they was talking about in the movies and on the back of the $100 bill. Maybe this is a baby flood compared to the flood they talking about. Or maybe they anticipated this flood to be as big as the one that was on $100 bill, but it didn't be as big as they thought it would be. So give me your input. I want to know what y'all think about this whole ordeal with everything I showed y'all. Leave your comment. Let me know, man. I'm going to drop the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.